middle part right there?
Yeah.
Why is there a kid stand over there?
You want to go down closer? Go. Keep going. Oh. Ah. Golf course. Yeah. Yep. Now the trees are in our way. I'm going this way. Chloe, over here. Stay here, Chloe, right here. Chloe, or we're going to get blocked by the trees. Oh, that ain't the end of it. I don't know, but that better not be the end of it. That's pretty lame. Let's walk over this way.
Oh, it's blue, red, and white.
Yeah. Ooh.
Look at that one. I like that orange one.
Yep.
So where the fireworks are going into the pond?
By the water. Yeah. We can get closer if you want. And keep walking across the lawn.
That one was Christmas. It was red,
Nice.
green, and blue. What if we walk in the pond?
Oh, that's going to be loud. Well, then we go swimming. Ooh. That's loud.
I like the raining one.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's still lasting too. How big did you? We were all the way back over there. Like a mile.
Yep. I don't know.
See that little fire?
Ooh.
It's like a little fire right there.
Yeah.
Oh, you totally hear that.
Yep. That's going to be loud. Watch where we're walking.
Right by here.
Yep. What? This is close enough. I want to see him. Yep.
Is that the end?
No. They make you think it's the end, but it's not. Yep. Ooh, Chloe, look at that one. That's gonna be loud.
Why?
Because the big ones are loud. That's gonna be loud. Yeah, that's loud. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's gonna be loud. That's a smiley face. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's huge. Ooh, nice.
We got huger ones than that. Whoa, did you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I like those. Yay, rain! Ah, woo! Hey, that's like a smiley face.
Yeah. That's a smiley face. Did you see it?
Yeah. That's like a star, Dad.
Yeah. There's another smiley face. There's another one. Oh.
Wow, look at that. That was like a head.
Hardly any purple though. They're the most expensive.
Why?
They're just very expensive.
There's some purplish blue stars. Whoa,
Ooh.
look at that one.
They'll do some purple ones.
Probably only like 2.
Oh, it's gonna be loud.
Yeah!
Yeah. These are gonna be loud too.
Yay! Look at that. Oh, I can touch them. Hey, that one's like a smiley face.
Yep. That one up there is gonna be loud. That's gonna be loud. That was like a 16-inch shell. Oh. Oh.
Boom! Whoa! It stinks.
It's the methane from the dump. It's gonna be loud. Oh, that's gonna be loud.
Look at how close that is. I feel like I can touch
There it goes. Yep.
Ah, it's getting too close.
Oh, here it goes.
It's making a building shake.
Yep. Here it comes, Chloe.
Is that the end?
That could be. That finale wasn't that great.